I don't know. I don't like how this intro is going. I'm trying to do an intro and I'm just not liking it for some reason. But I'm going to keep it going. You know why? Because this is what we do as content creators, and I love doing this. We do this for you and for myself, and it's just a part of vlogging. We're going to go through this journey together. It was just a moment, but I'm back. Now let's get into it. What's up? What's up? This is Cakes with Cakes, Coffee, and Combo. Welcome back for another video. Cakes, Coffee, and Combo back with another video. I'm doing a nail video today. Nail video, nail tutorial. Kiss brand only. Kiss brand only. Which one should I do? Which one should I do? I have to take these old nails off and put on one of these. I don't know which one I should do though. So drop in the comments what you think and see which one I pick. You may be right. Thank you to all of the people that have subscribed. I'm almost at 100. So when I do get to 100, I'm going to give a giveaway. And if I'm feeling good, it may be 2 or 3. So please subscribe to this channel, okay? Cakes, Coffee, Convo. And please drop a comment and say hello to me. I love reading your comments, and you guys are so awesome. If you have any questions about the nails, feel free to drop your comments below. And yeah, we're going to get right into it.